So Sophie is planting a tree. It's a fruit tree inaitwa kungu. Hi everyone. So we're gonna show you like a kitchen garden which was done to uplift the community. And this is one of them. You can see there's a small nursery over there. There's onions, tomatoes, mchicha, which are traditional vegetables. It's just to help to uplift the community.
Finally, this is my message to the world and to the viewers, that we are what we eat, and once we realize that reality and respect the food that we eat, then we'll realize that the healthy food that comes to the plate depends on the healthy soils and the healthy ecosystems that we use to grow these foods. So let us respect nature, let us respect indigenous and traditional foods, and let us embrace local, season friendly food stuff that can help us cushion from food insecurities, and that can help our societies gain more food sovereignty going forward. Thank you.